One day after Megan Boswell was indicted on 2 counts of felony murder in her daughter's death, lawmakers tell us they're continuing efforts to preserve baby Evelyn's legacy. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Josh Smith. Good evening. Evelyn was reported missing in February, about 2 months after she was last seen, according to reports. Her remains were found in early March on a family member's property in Blountville. Earlier this year, Tennessee lawmakers introduced a bill that would increase penalties against parents or guardians who fail to report a child missing in a timely manner. But that legislation eventually stalled.
Caitlin Cluck found out lawmakers hope to reintroduce the bill in a few months. She joins us now live from our Kingsport newsroom.
Right, Josh and Sarah, lawmakers still hope that Evelyn's short life will have a long legacy in a law named in her honor. Advocates also say that her situation highlights the need for people to report child abuse. As charges for Evelyn Boswell's death were announced for the first time Wednesday, Tennessee Bureau of Investigation Director David Roush had a message for the public.
We would like to encourage anyone who suspects that a child is being abused to immediately report it. You can report it to your local law enforcement agency or call the Tennessee Child Abuse Hotline at 1-877-237-0004.
Today, Gina Fry, director of the Sullivan County Children's Advocacy Center, echoed the need to report child abuse.
I think the best thing that could ever happen out of this tragedy is that we educate ourselves and protect our children and listen to them.
The Children's Advocacy Center estimates that since the COVID-19 pandemic began shutting down schools and churches in March, reports of child abuse in Sullivan County have dropped 60%. Fewer reports do not mean abuse is happening less, and Fry pointed out reporting abuse is the law.
Tennessee is a mandatory reporting state, and if you suspect a child is being harmed, then it's your duty to report it.
Since Evelyn's case started attracting attention in March, local lawmakers have tried to advance legislation named in her honor. The Evelyn's Law bill would increase penalties against parents or guardians who don't report their children missing to law enforcement within 48 hours. If they don't, it would be a Class A misdemeanor. If harm or death came to that child, it would be a Class C felony, which can mean 3 to 15 years in prison.
It was inspired by Evelyn and what happened to her.
State Representative Bud Hulsey is one of the House bill's sponsors. Evelyn's Law did pass in the House, but it stalled this summer in a Senate committee. Both Hulsey and one of the co-sponsors, Representative John Crawford, told News Channel 11 today this legislation is needed.
John Crawford and I plan on running that again this next session. So we're not going to give up on it. We'll go ahead and run it again.
The state representatives hope to reintroduce Evelyn's Law in the House this January, and they hope that this time it'll go farther in the Senate too. In Kingsport, Caitlin Cluck, News Channel 11.